welcome to KOK Party Favors. Today, guys, we're going to be designing the Hershey Bar Wrapper in Canva. I have my template pulled up. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop. I will have a link in the description if you'd like to purchase. So we're going to start designing. We're going to be designing using a unicorn theme. So I'm going to go to my uploads folder where I have all my art already um, uploaded into Canva. So I'm going to start with this background, and this is going to, I'm going to set it as a background for the middle, which is the front of the template. So this is going to be our front, this is our back, and this is our back. And this back side, this top portion, is the portion that will be seen in the back because it will overlap this bottom portion. So all the designing will go on the front and this flap above. So I'm going to load in my unicorn, resize him. Okay, I have him centered. Now we're going to add text. Happy birthday, Sandy. And we are going to put it here, and we're going to change the color to white. Okay, we're also going to change the font to Macari script. Okay. Now we're going to add additional text to the right, and we're going to put life is full of glitter, rainbows, and unicorns. Okay. I'm going to make that 3 lines, and we're going to resize that. And we're going to put on the first line. Okay. And we're also going to change those colors to white, and we're going to change the font to the script. Okay. Okay, so that is our front pretty much done. Okay, now we're going to go to the back, and I want to add another piece of digital art here, and I think I'll use this rainbow. I'm going to resize it, and we're going to move it here, and we're going to turn it upside down, just turn it 180 degrees. Okay, so that's going to be the back side of our wrapper. Now I don't think we need anything else here. I could bring in this little unicorn face here, which is really pretty, and I'll put it on the back over here by the nutrition facts, and I'll turn it 180 degrees. Okay, let's see if I resize it down just a little bit. Okay, so this is going to be our design. It was pretty quick. It doesn't take much to design a Hershey Bar wrapper. So I am going to assemble the wrapper in our next video. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.